Alright, starting off today with a couple of errands. I'm already in town, waiting for the next bus. I usually take the Williston bus, which I see pulling up now, but I'm decided to wait an extra 20 minutes, and I'm catching the other bus, which is the airport bus, and that's just going to take me right down to the waterfront. I'm just going to do that. But I'm just waiting for the bus right now, just chilling. My board's right here. I don't know, we'll see what happens after this. Just got to the waterfront. I have to pee so bad. Another hour here, then I gotta go. It is windy, but it's not too cold. So I'm just chilling, going around. Not too special today. Alright, real quick, I just want to make something clear before people start getting their panties all up in a bunch. The situation with the Seagull, a buddy of mine found it where he works, and I guess it was missing a wing and it was bleeding. He's been calling people like shelters and like animal rescue, and they haven't gotten back to him. And so he's basically, I guess he's going to try to take care of it overnight and figure out something over the weekend, and see what goes on. He might also too just bring it to a shelter and just have them take it if things get really bad. But he was bleeding. The bird was bleeding because it was missing a wing. He believes it got run over. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I wanted to let you guys know so that way if anybody was wondering what happened to the bird or anything like that, yeah, it was injured, got run over, its wing was missing, and my friend was working on getting help for it. So he's obviously not going to keep it as a pet or not like that. He's just keeping a hold of it until he knows he has the right hands to give it to. Yeah, because if he would have just left it there, it would have died, and it was just missing a wing. So hopefully the bird survives the night. See what happens. Yeah, hopefully I'll find out relatively soon if what happened to the bird. If the bird made it, if the bird went to got the care it needed or whatever. But anyway, I'll let you guys know when I know.